feeling so tired, but I wanted to do this vlog. I wanted to show you whatever I have got from Grace supermarket. And so first is I got this glass jar. It looks so good. The color is mint green and it's somewhat airtight. We can store any provisional items inside it. So it was very cute, and the price of this jar is, the MRP is 205, but the Grace price is 175. So it looks so cute. I got this one and also this one. These two colors are like so beautiful and bright. This is 185. The MRP is 220. The next comes a doll. So definitely every time when we go, we get some dolls out there, and this is a volleyball player. It looks cute and can also be used as a piggy bank. But if you use it as a piggy bank, you need to break it because there's no opening here. So we have to use it as a showpiece. So this is so cute. Next is this dustbin. So I was looking for a metal dustbin, and thank God today my mom saw this and she got it. This is a metal mesh dustbin. It's of a normal size and it's fine, it's good, it's decent. And we got this spatula. There is 64 rupees. MRP is actually 92 rupees, but the offer price is 64 rupees. It's nice, small spatula. Then these are also some glass jars. They are like somewhat airtight, so we can store any provisional items. We got 4 jars. This is actually for upgrading the kitchen items into glass ones. And we also got 2 tumblers. MRP is 77 rupees, but the Grace price is 64 rupees. So it's good. So many offers were there. And the dustbin price is 203, but the offer price is 163. So nearly 30 rupees. 30 rupees saved. Then next is these towels. I got 2 towels and the towels were so good. The design was so decent and mild. It's a cotton towel. The MRP of this is 344 rupees, but the Grace price is 287. It's a big deal actually. And this is MRP is 266, but the Grace price is 222. It's pure cotton towel. Looks nice. It's so soft and it has a classical design, very decent. Look at this, so nice, huh? Very nice. Then I got files for myself, stationery items. This file is 23 rupees, but the price is offer price is 18 rupees. So I got two of the same design because I have lots of documentary stores, so I usually get files for me. So I got those two, as well as I got these beautiful cute little, I think this is A6 or B6 size file. I don't know the price of this. This is A5 size. So these both. And this one. The color was so cute, like watermelon color. The price of this is 129, but the offer price is 107 rupees. So it's a good deal actually. Then this one, you might wonder what is this. This is the grinder cover actually. And today it was the first time I saw. I have been to Grace for several days, but today only my mom saw this, and we got one for ourselves. This is 179. MRP is 179, but the offer price is 149 rupees. Then one filter. This is a steel filter, and its price is 81 rupees, and the offer price is 72 rupees. Then I got one pouch. This is 37 rupees, but the offer price is 31 rupees. This is a transparent pouch, so I can either use it as a stationery pencil box or pouch, as well as I can also store my jewelries. So I got this. And this is a holder, spatula holder or spoon holder. This is 240. The MRP is 252 rupees, and the offer price is 240 rupees. It is like copper color, that brown color, copper color, with apple designs. This is the apple cutout. It looked so unique, so I got this. This is one of the utensil which we got. This is for milk pan, milk or tea or porridge. You can cook anything with this. It is induction safe as well because it is heavy weight and it has a heavy bottom, flat bottom. The price is 432 rupees, but the offer price is 360 rupees. Then we got two mugs. The mug quality is really good. The plastic quality is really good, and this is MRP is 57 rupees, but it's just 51 rupees. The quality of the mug is so good, and these two color combination is so good, so I got two. Then next is this microfiber tea towels. It has 5 colors. This is microfiber cloth for kitchen cleaning. And these two are two organizers. We can use it for organizing the fridge items or stationery or bath items, anything. This is a small stool which we got for the bathroom. So this is for the washroom, and it's an anti-skid patla. The MRP is 300 rupees and offer price is 240. Then we also got 2 fruit baskets. The quality of these baskets were so good. And the price of this is MRP is 611 and the actual price is 509. So the quality is so good and it is matte finish. It has matte finish and you can use as a fruit or vegetable basket. These two. This was somewhat unique and colorful, so I got this as well. Last but not the least, I got this ball. It is such a good stress buster, and look at the colors, the blue and orange, neon orange makes it so bright. So I'm gonna play this during my free time. The MRP price of this ball is $7.99, but the offer price is $713. So this was also purchased today. So that's it guys for today's video. You saw me going for shopping, then you also saw the items that were available in the shop, and you have also seen this haul, and I think you liked this video. So subscribe to my channel Day in My Life Jana, and please click on the bell icon so that you will be notified of my upcoming videos. Support me for more such content, and your likes and comments will make my day so good. So see you guys in another vlog like this. Until then, it's bye from Lydia. Bye.